Let's have a recap of sales tax, children. In sales tax case, what we had discussed earlier, if we have the mark price, we apply a certain discount percent, discount 1, discount 2 to give us the selling price. We apply sales tax rate in terms of percentage only, tax percent, to give you selling price plus tax. If by any chance, children, they give us this, we'll go backwards with unitary method twice. We'll see some examples to elaborate on that. The question says, S went to buy electric iron. S went to buy an electric stove which costs rupees 750, rate of sales tax being 6%. She requested the shopkeeper to reduce its price so that she pays rupees 742 inclusive of sales tax. Find the reduction needed. So children, she wants to pay 742 including sales tax. So selling price plus tax at the rate of 6%. Selling price 100, selling price plus tax 106. If this value is 742, how much is this? We'll cross multiply, children. So let's take it as x. So x is equal to 100 times 742 upon 106. We'll cancel with this to give you 7. So 700 is the cost. So reduction needed, children, will be rupees 750 minus 700. That's rupees 50. Reduction needed will be of 50 rupees, children. Let's do the example to go along with this. Pen buys goods worth rupees 5050. She gets a rebate of 5% on it. Of 5% on it, and rate of sales tax is 5%. Find the amount she will have to pay for the goods. Amount she has to pay for the goods. So now, children, we work forward in this particular sum. So children, here we do selling price and mark price. Mark price 100, selling price 95. Mark price is 5050. What is the selling price? So children, here we would take this value as x. So x is equal to 95 times 5050 upon 100. So we'll cancel with this. We'll go with this 2 times, 19 times. Now children, we'll multiply and divide. So our answer will come out to be 4797.5 0.50. Next, children, we'll do selling price plus tax. Selling price 100, selling price plus tax is 105. Selling price is 4797.50. How much is this? So this will be, children, y is equal to 105 into 4797.50 upon 100 will cancel with this 20 times, 21 times. Now, children, we multiply and divide to give us an answer of 5037 rupees 38 paise. That's the amount she has to pay for the goods. Now, children, in case of VAT, children, VAT is always given by, at any particular stage, is given by the rate percent of output price minus input price. Important thing over here, children, is these prices do not include tax. These prices do not include tax. The tax is not included in any of the two prices, children. It's excluding the tax. So the price at which it can be bought without tax and the price at which it is sold, price at which it's sold without tax, children. X% of that, that's VAT. Let's see an example to elaborate on that. The question says, R buys a table. R buys a table for rupees 1200 and sells it for rupees 15,000, 12,000, 15,000. VAT being 10%. Find the VAT payable by R. So, children, VAT we know is X% of output price minus input price. VAT equals X% output price minus input price. Difference comes out to be 3,000 rupees, children. 1/10 of 3,000 will be 300 rupees. That's a VAT payable by R to the government. This amount he will pay to the government, children. Let's see another example. Question says, the cost of an article is rupees 6,000 to a distributor. If he sells trader for rupees 7,500, trader sells it to customer for rupees 8,500. If VAT rate is 11%, find VAT paid by distributor and trader. So, children, when we talk about the distributor, distributors costs 6,000, distributor sells it for 7,500. So the VAT payable by him would be X% of output price. That's VAT is equal to X% of output price minus input price. Output price, children, is 7,500. input price, children, is 6,000. It's rupees 165. That's the VAT payable by distributor. Now, children, next comes a trader. Trader, children, buys it for 7,500, sells it for 8,500. So VAT payable by him would be 11% of output price minus input price. That's 11% of 1,000 bucks. Cancels to give you 110 rupees. So trader pays 110 rupees to the government. The government gets 165 here and 110 over here. If by any chance, children, they ask you what is the VAT paid by the customer, children. If by any chance they ask you what is the price paid by the customer and what is the VAT received by government, that's and price to customer would come out to be, children, selling price would be 11% of 8,500 plus 8,500, children. This will cancel with this to give you 8,500. ₹935, children. The customer will have to pay 8,500 plus 935 rupees as tax, which makes it 9,435 rupees. The tax price to customer and tax received by government. So, and the tax received would be total tax, children. Total tax would be 935 rupees. Rupees 935. Thank you.